Good morning, y'all. We got in, it's LA Appliance Guy, by the way. We got in about 12 units over the weekend, so it's going to be an interesting few days. Almost made it to 700. We got this day to hit 700, like 7 more subscribers, so let's do it. And I got to give a shout out to the Retire on Dividends crew over there, the guys and gals over there. Check them out. Thank y'all. Let's do it. If you like options and dividend investing and investing for income, but option stuff is good over there. He's got good spreadsheets and good nerdy math stuff. So check out Retire on Dividends. I'll leave the link in the description. All right, Maytag 10-year. Left, right, 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 left, right, left, right, 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 left, right. Now we're in our flash mode. Fault codes. That's an F7E1, I believe. That's an F7E1. I think that's a basket speed fault. Okay. And that's it. Clear them out. Okay, well, let's test it. Left, right, 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 left, right. Let's put it into the tachometer test. This one and this one is the tachometer test. So we hit start and spin the drum. There. Oh, it's recognizing the drum. Suspension seems good. The hub is intact. And the bearings sound good. Well, what the heck? Let's lean it over. You can see it right there. That's where the data sheet is on these. Roll Tide. Now we can test our crap. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Yeah, that will cause it not to get to speed. Okay. Y'all don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We're almost to 700. Today, if we get 7 more subscribers, we hit 700. That's amazing for me. Might not sound like a lot to y'all. And don't forget to go and check out Retire on Dividends channel if you like options and investing. Good stuff. Spreadsheets, numbers, good stuff. Well, will you look at that? This one's freaking stripped right here. Okay. This one isn't. All right, here we go. There we go. And the teeth still look good. All right. Left, right, 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 left, right. Recalibrate. Now it'll do stupid stuff. All right, let's give her a go. that's a little wonky. All right, that's what we like to see. All righty, we're done. Ready to go. New belt, new pulley, back in business. I like those quick, easy ones on a Monday morning. Samsung suspension rods. All ready.